guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Silhouette Cameo machine to make this really fun Easter basket. How super cute. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I already have the Silhouette Studio software opened. Now to get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on where it says Library. This is where all of my files are. On the left hand side, I created these folders. I'm going to go to the one I called Videos. That's where I put the project we're making, so it's easier for me to find. And it's right here. If I'm going to click on that, you can see it is called the Hexagon Easter Basket. It is a Lori Whitlock file, and the design ID number is 291554. I will also have the link for her SVG below as well. I was going to double click on the image to bring it into our workspace. It is all grouped together, so I'm going to right click on that and choose Ungroup. All right, so we have the handle of the basket, we have the bottom piece of the basket, we have the two bows. Then you'll see a little notation by Lori that says cut two base and panels. So I'm going to go ahead and separate these. So we need two of these. This is our panels. I'm going to right click on that and choose duplicate. So we have two of those. Now right click on this piece and also choose duplicate. All right, so now I'm just going to put everything on my mat organized by color. Let's get rid of that little piece there. All right, so we have this piece, which is all going to be the same color. So the handle and the outer part of our basket. So this piece will need a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, or you can just separate it and make it fit 8.5 by 11 if you choose to do so. All right, make sure all that's off my mat. I'm going to go ahead and send this to my machine, cut it out, come back. I'll group all this together, take it off of my mat, and then grab these pieces here. Right there and there. And then this one I'm also going to break down here. All right, so I'm going to send all that to my machine, and then we'll go to the table and put the basket together. All right, guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. So we have our bow pieces, our panels, and then the brads. I just took a Sharpie and colored them in. Then we have our actual basket piece. We're going to work on the basket first and our handle. Let's go ahead and first fold all the square marks. This would be a fun basket to give to a coworker filled with all kinds of Easter chocolates. Okay, so we have that one done. And then this one. Even just for yourself. You know, fill it with those little candied chocolate eggs, jelly beans. I think Easter is probably my favorite holiday as far as the candies. Like you guys know, I love candy corn for Halloween, but I absolutely love jelly beans. All right, so we have all that. Now you'll see they're identical. So we have a flap on this piece and a flap on that one. We want to put glue on this one, or on one of them. And you want to have your glue go edge to edge. I'm using art glitter glue. Have it go edge to edge. And then we're going to take this and line it up with this one. Matching up the square marks and the sides. All right, now we're going to take our panels and put all those on. And you'll see we have these two square ones. You want to find the ones that have the hole punched out. And if not, no big deal. All right, so there's one. Yes, I only have one, it looks like, that has a hole punched out. Oh, there's the other one. Okay. Alright, so put some glue on that. I'm going to line this one up first with the hole. And it kind of gives you the placement, you know, of where it's going to go as far as the border around it. And I'm a big fan of Lori Whitlock files. I've used her designs a lot. And I do think they're well worth the money. Because I've never had an issue with them. And I think they're trendy, really easy to put together. Okay, just keep on working our way across. Like I said, by putting those ones on first, it kind of gives you an idea of where to go. You know, as far as how far up and how far down. one more of those, and then we have to work on the other pieces. All right, let's grab these guys, and then we're going to put the box together, and it actually goes together really, really easy. Can't believe it's January already. And this past year, 2021, went by so quick. Not complaining. It was a good year for us. You know, we got this property and the new house, sold ours. But hopefully 2022 is better for all of us. And I have some exciting things coming up on my YouTube channel. I'll probably do a chatty video about that. Maybe I'll do it today and you'll see it tomorrow or over the weekend. You know, get your input on. Just a few different ideas I'm thinking about doing. All right, our last one. All right, now, so we have all that on there. We're going to take it and put glue on these side flaps. And then bring them over like such. Get rid of the extra glue. I mean, you can even make this out of brown paper, make it look like a clay pot, and put like a fake plain. I would not use the handle. You know, make it like look like a fake terracotta type plant and put a fake flower in it. That would look really cute too on a desk. So all kinds of ways you can do the box. Doesn't need to be just Easter. Okay, 2 more to go. Our last one right here. We're going to grab it with this one. And then we'll come back in and put the other flap on. Just going to line that one up first. Okay, I'm going to open it up a little bit and put some glue on this inside flap right there. Okay, and then just give all that a second to set up for us. And now we're going to flip it over and just give it a little squish and put some glue on all these pieces. And you can take your time with it and be a little bit neater than I am. And then I just take one of them, one side, line it up on the side, and then just kind of squeeze my box together so everything else will line up. And if it's not perfect, if you have extra hanging off, just go ahead and trim it. But it's pretty easy to get on there. I'm going to flip it over very carefully, then just go inside there and just give everything a little push. All right, now while that's doing its thing, we're going to take our handle and take our bone folder and just give it that curl. Take our brads, find the part that has the hole in it, put the brad in, put the handle in, and separate the brad. And do the same for this side. I love that we're using a brad versus gluing it in. That way you can have the handle be any way you want. It's not stationary. Oh. Grab both pieces, separate it. There we go. So you can have your handle be, you know, more back, more front, so it's up to you. All right, now we have the bow. This is the trickiest part for me. Alright, gonna take the small bow and just curl it a little bit. Do the same for the large bow. Alright, and what I want to do is find, do I have it out here? I don't think I do. Actually, I do. It's in my trash can. That same color. Okay, so what I want to do now, I'm going to use some sticky strip for this. Put it in the back. And peel it off. And just tuck everything else in there. I used glue dots on my first one, but I found the glue dots were too bulky. Then take the little tabs and put them right there in the middle. And then this one there in the middle, and that forms your little bow. And then take this piece and wrap it around on itself like such. Okay, and I'm going to take, I could probably use some glue maybe on here. Just a little bit of glue. Of course, I used way too much. I'm going to let that sit and do its thing. Hope it doesn't come undone. Do the same for this one. So take some more of that sticky strip. Or you can use glue dots, like I said, but I just found the glue dots made it too bulky for me. But it does give you that dimension that a bow would give you as well by using the glue dots. Okay, and just go ahead and kind of roll that up on itself a little bit. And take this one, lay it down, and this one to match it. Like that. And then we're going to take this piece, fold it over, and fold it over. And then put some glue on the back of this one. Now, the picture shows it having the bow on the basket handle. I didn't like that, so I'm gonna put it on the side of the box. All right, so I have that bow done. We have this bow done. Now, do I want to? I think I will use a glue dot for this one to put the two bows together. If I can find my glue dots. I just had all this stuff out yesterday. Now I can't find any of it. Alright, so we're not going to be using a glue dot. We're going to be using this again because I can't find them. And I don't want to take up any more of your time looking for the glue dots. Alright, so we're going to put the glue on the big bow first. And I'm going to treat it like a glue dot by rolling it up on itself. Okay, and I'm going to take the small bow, put it on top of that one. And then, I think it was missing the tails. You can see on my basket, I did add little tails. So that's where this is going to come in. I'm just going to cut just a little strip, real skinny. I'm going to cut two of them. Like that. Take some more of my glue here, or my tape. Put on the very back of that, and give it a rub without trying to crease your bow. Take the backing off, and again I'm going to kind of just fold it up on itself. Then take one of these, like that. Another one, like that, and then we're going to glue it on our basket. Just like that. I'm going to go in there with my fingers and just press on that bow, on the middle bow, on the back bow. Isn't that cute? I like it better there, and I do like it with the tails. Super cute. You can also add a little gift tag there if you want to. But there's our basket. Super fun and easy, and there's that basket there. Alright guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.